Riders and DIY people, this is Chinmay Dangre from Make Auto Clinic. Today we are going to open up rocker covers and we are going to reinstall the rocker cover because there is some leakage on the top. So we need some tools for that. We have already removed the fuel tank. We are going to remove the rocker covers and we are going to change the O-ring which is given in between head and the rocker covers. As you can see now, you have to use 6 mm Allen key, 5 mm Allen key, sorry. If you fail to remove those rocker bolts, you have to little bit hammer on the top. Heavy leakage as per the client. As you can see, heavy leakage. Lot of oil is coming out of the rocker cover. If it is tight, you just have to hammer a little bit. That's it. Do not use extra force on that, otherwise it will break. Those covers are basically hollow. Now instead of Allen key we are using Allen socket to make it more easy. Perfect tool will give you perfect output. This is the Allen socket. See, it's very easy to remove all those bolts. Do not try to use chisel or hammer all the time for every repair. Since there is a chassis, so you can't actually use Allen key socket. All down, almost. Now is tapping because those Allen heads basically which are given by the company, these are very small and the bolts are very soft. So everything is working according to our regular practice. We didn't use any harsh force to remove. Remove all the bolts. These are rocker bolts. So the seepage is basically because of the, as you can see, white O-ring is there. The O-ring is basically now hard. This you may need to change. It depends on riding conditions and how depends on kilometers covered. Since the vehicle was, it is very hot, so we just have to use one rag, as you can see. Now we have removed both the covers. The leakage was basically from this side. Sometimes mechanics fools you that there is a leakage from the head. That means they ask you to change basically. They tell you that the head gasket is gone. It is not like that. Just a normal repairing. If there is a leakage from the top, the symptom is that oily surface near to the plug. In that case also they will tell you that the head has got some problem, so it is leaking oil, so that means there is a problem in the head, so we must open the head. It is not like that. It's just a 100 rupee work. you have to change those O-rings. As you can see, we are just wiping out everything, and I'll show you the rocker cover damage. These are the rings. Just have to replace those rings. Became brittle. This happens because of heat. Over the period, the ring becomes hard. You have to use all the genuine spare part. Now, second question it might come in your mind, why this happened? As I said, this happened because of hardness, because of the heat, and second thing, those bolts are having limitation. You cannot tight those bolts more than its given limit, its given height, because of this step. If you, I'll show you. If you try to press the cover won't go or get tight more than particular given length, because now it's stopped. So I can't tight those things more. So your mechanic might tell you that we'll just tight up. Not like that, you have to change the ring because the distance is fixed. That means the rings are basically going to have little bit of pressure because of those bolts. So it's always best to change the O-ring. These rocker cover O-rings are not costly. So don't get fooled by any mechanic or technician who wants to rip your pocket. Clean everything thoroughly. And just install new O-rings. There's a groove given which is basically guide for the ring. The ring has got one particular step. As I told you, there is a ring. The ring has got one step. You can see the step. You can't fix LH ring to RH cover. That's it, you are done. Now we have installed both the rings. That's it. Work done. Second cover. Second cover. Both the covers you have to put it on the head, because the dust should not go inside the engine, to make sure everything. You're working outside because the engine is hot, so at least it will cool down very fast, because client wants to have this bike immediately. These covers are having basically two guides, so covers will fit a particular place. Yes, has got a location. Company has given the location. That's it. The work has done. Now we are ready to tight those covers. That's it. Leakage is gone now.
This we will get to know anyways after riding, but we are sure that the leakage is gone. This is Chinmay Dangre from Make Auto Clinic. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.